Oh, Dalton, how many people did you kill, huh?
Only like 10.
That's a whole lot of people.
Looks like they're taking it. We couldn't get that far up. Yeah, so once we get past the J-hook, okay, so you get past that J-hook, it skirts off to the north. Okay. And then once he gets to the north, they just got a wall of fire there. So we get pinned in on that J-hook. And so we have a whole team, at least 8 or 9, 10 sitting there, but they are pinned down right now.
We got another runner, open field, left side!
Are you guys all right down there? It's all the way up so we can move up on the medics.
Baby. You got him.
Let's take this spot. Suppress. I know you good. We want it. Where are you getting hit from?
Goddamn friendly!
God damn it!
No. All you are is a bunch of bullies pushing your wheel. That's what you want. Pushing your freaking wheel. Oh.
help like advisors and clients.
Oh, really?
Work and stuff, and so it's kind of a stepping stone job, I guess you could say.
Okay.
But hit.
Well, we were on the hill by the North Village by ourselves with Twist, and we killed like 1 million people. So.
You can take the T-Rex out the ghetto, but you can't take the ghetto out the T-Rex.